Industrial design doesn't have to feel cold or harsh. In this video, I'll show you how I turned a small master bedroom into a cozy retreat, raw, refined, and full of warmth. Welcome to House My Home, where small spaces meet thoughtful design. Today, we're exploring an industrial-style bedroom that's simple, functional, and comfortable, even in limited square footage. The foundation of this room is the bed, a black metal frame with clean lines and no bulky headboard. It keeps the room open, while still grounding the space with that raw industrial feel. Beside it, a reclaimed wooden nightstand brings warmth and character. No two planks are the same, and that's the charm. For the color scheme, I chose charcoal gray, walnut brown, and soft off-white. These muted, earthy tones make the space feel calm without losing that industrial edge. Lighting is layered, with warm Edison bulbs and matte black fixtures, and soft light spilling from a hidden strip behind the headboard. Texture is everything here. From the raw concrete wall to the leather cushions, textured bedding, and linen curtains, each element brings tactile warmth. Even the rug was chosen for contrast, a soft woven material that offsets the hardness of metal and concrete. The room wouldn't feel complete without personal touches. A few monochrome art prints, a potted snake plant, a vintage clock, small things that give soul to the space. Industrial doesn't mean empty or cold. It's about balancing function with feeling. At night, this room glows. The lights are warm, shadows are soft, and the space transforms into a calm cocoon. Whether you're reading, journaling, or just resting, this is where the noise of the day fades away. It's a small room, but it holds everything I need and nothing I don't. And that's the heart of cozy industrial design. Raw textures, simple pieces, and a story behind every corner. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next week for more calm, cozy, and creative home ideas. Until then, stay warm and stay inspired.